to do this work, to support people in their spiritual awakening, advancement, and in the advancement of their soul. And that you've been tortured, you've been killed, you've been burned, you've been torn apart, you've been hung, you've been water tortured, you've been all the things. You've been all the things. You think about that version of yourself that stepped up so many frickin' times. How can I turn my head? How can I deny that? How can I do it? Couple that with all of the visions, with all of the synchronicities, with all of the support that the universe continues to give all of us when we step into our soul's purpose.